Okay, this is x square over under root 4 minus x square. Limit from 0 to 1. The substitution is x to be replaced by 2 sine theta. So let's start. So first of all, instead of x square, I will be writing here 4 sine square theta. ठीक है? जहाँ पे इतराज हो साथ साथ आपने प्लीज पूछ लेना है. Now divided by, this is 4 minus 4 sine square theta. अच्छा, ये 4 minus 4 sine square theta को when you look at this, it should be a mouth-watering kind of a thing for you. What do you have in your mind when you see 4 minus 4 sine square theta? Yeah? Yeah, exactly. Like you see that you can take a 4 common from this. If I just simplify it a bit here, this is 4 into 1 minus sine square theta. So what is 1 minus sine square theta? Cos square theta. So this becomes 4 cos square theta. And this will eventually become, when you take its square root, so this will be equal to 2 cos theta. Okay? Now, we shall be writing this in the next step as 2 cos theta. Now we have to think about this dx. So this dx is going to be, you have to differentiate this. This is dx by d theta. Alishba, beta, dekh rahe ho? Alishba, first you change all of them in terms of theta here. Isme there are 3 things. One is that you change all of them in terms of the theta, in terms of u, whatever you're given the substitution. The second thing is you have to think about this dx. And then thirdly, if there are limits, you have to think about the limits to be converted with respect to the given substitution, okay? So this dx by d theta is going to be 2 cos theta. So then I'll be saying that, okay, then this dx is going to be 2 cos theta d theta. Yes? So I'll write here this as 2 cos theta d theta. Now we have to change the limits, the third step. So when your x is 0, so that means 2 sine theta is 0. Therefore, your theta will be 0 because sine theta agar 0 to theta 0 hona chahiye. Sine 0 0 pe hota hai. So the lower limit is going to be 0 over here. When your x is 1, so this 2 sine theta, that is equal to 1. So sine theta is half. So at what theta this is going to be half? So there is a hint for you over here, that is pi by 6. Sine 30 is half, or in radians, this is pi by 6. Okay? I have shown this simplification here. If you guys allow me, I can cancel all of this with all of this. Kyun bhai? Yes or no? I have shown that all of this here, that this 4 taken common and then this can be simplified to 2 cos theta. So this is, they are going to be cancelled. So we have this required thing over here, limit from 0 to pi by 6. This is 4 sine square theta d theta. जो मेरा बेटा ये था, ठीक है? And then he's asking for the exact value. And again, if you just change that for the second part, if you write this as 2 into 2 sine square theta d theta, because we cannot integrate, please remember, you cannot integrate sine square or cos square. You have to use the identity here, okay? Let me write the identity here. The 2 sine square theta is 1 minus cos 2 theta. We have repeated this identity many times. So now this must be learned by heart by now, okay? So this is going to be 2 into 1 minus cos 2 theta d theta. So 0 to pi by 6. So finally this is 2 into theta minus sine 2 theta 0 to pi by 6. And then we Put the limits here. This is 2 into pi by 6 minus 2 pi by 6 is basically 60, है ना? That is under root 3 over 2. And then when you put 0, both of them are 0. So this should be the answer.